Can gas 99% high purity PSA oxygen generator with cylinder filling system. Can gas high purity oxygen generator with cylinder filling system consists of air compressor, refrigerated air dryer, air wet tank, can gas compressed air filters, can gas PSA oxygen generator, oxygen purifier system, high pressure oxygen booster and oxygen filling station. It is to fill oxygen into cylinder to meet oxygen supply. This system adopts PSA technology to get 99% plus high purity oxygen by purifying the oxygen with purity 95% plus or minus 1% from the common PSA oxygen generator. This system can be used in more applications including medical, industrial, laboratory, scientific research, aviation and so on. Technical parameter. Oxygen purity greater than or equal to 99%. Oxygen capacity, 540 nm3/h per set customized. Oxygen outlet pressure, 5 bar, 150 bar, or 200 bar customized. Key features. 1. 99% plus high purity oxygen to meet more applications. 2. Time-proven PSA technology, economic and reliable. 3. Fully automatic control and standalone operation. 4. Compact design with small footprint, easy installation. 5. Plug-and-run design, efficient, stable and durable. 6. Low maintenance. If you are interested in our products or have any questions, please feel free to contact us. Can Gas provides you with high-quality services and comprehensive gas solutions.